guys, I'm back. It's been a few hours already since we started this smoke escapade here. Like I mentioned earlier, I've never done this before, so I'm just going with it. But this thing, it seems to do it, just kind of keep an eye on it, and I'm just having an adult beverage as it's happening, and enjoying the time, relaxing. So it is time now to spritz this. So we're gonna add a little bit of the mixture that we did here, okay, with the apple juice, the cider, and water, and we'll spritz it on. Remember, not to do it on the fan. We want to do it on the bare meat, and we'll try to do it as quick as possible so we won't lose any internal temperature here. If you notice here, I've been keeping it at 250, so I've been keeping an eye on it. It's enjoyable, it's relaxing, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's give it a shot. Let's see what we got. All right, here we go. Whoa!
Nice.
This looks really nice, guys. And I gotta tell you, if I do say so myself, very, very, very nice. Okay, there you go. Let's close it up. Just a little spritz as you get it going. And look at that. Look at that bark right there. That's beautiful.
Wow.
All right. Well, let's keep it going.
Looks delicious.
Love this little smoker. Okay. Well, we'll continue. I would say by the temperature. Matter of fact, let's do a quick test. All right, see what kind of temperature we got. The internal temperature here. It has been approximately 7 hours, and it all varies exactly where you are, how the temperature is, your surroundings, all that good stuff. It's kind of overcast today, so we're gonna check it out. All right, so let's get this thermometer in there and see what we got. All right, so it's going up. It's going up real quick. We are up to. Oh my gosh, it's getting there. It's getting there. We're looking pretty good. I would say probably about 170. Looking good. Looking good, guys. We're about 170. We want to get up to about internal temperature about 185, 190, and then we're going to go for the next step there. So, but we're looking pretty good. So I would say another couple of hours, and we're in good shape. See you then. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay. Well, I let it rest for about an hour, approximately an hour and a half. Could go a little longer. I mean, it's not, that's what I was told. Again, this is my first one. So I am taking this cover off. First of all, the smell here is incredible. It's just, wow. This is, so I covered it up, and let's see what we got here. What I understand is basically, I mean, that looks beautiful. The smell here is incredible, guys. Okay, I'll be honest. We're gonna see if this thing comes off. This is a sign that this is beautifully done. Oh,
wow.
It's actually still a little warm, so I could have waited a little bit longer, but it's literally, there's no.
Wow.
It's amazing. That's amazing. And it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The aroma here is fantastic. This is a little piece that comes out. I'm going to give it a little bit to my lovely wife as she's filming. Okay? And I'm going to try this. Oh my God.
Wow.
You have a flavor that's amazing. I mean, the rub on this was brown sugar, real simple garlic. Might have mentioned at the beginning, garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Rubbed it all around. That was it. Mm-hmm. And then, of course, I used apple wood. I mean, there's just the flavor that this has right now. It's amazing. Mm-hmm. Look at this bone. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's
wow.
Wow. Okay.
It just came right off.
It's amazing. Mm-hmm. Anyway, let's take this back out, and then we're gonna pull this sucker. Gorgeous. It's just coming off. Look at the bark. And you want to try to do this as you eat. So this is a part. We continue eating. Then we can leave this one. Then later on, we could pull it up, but it keeps the moisture in. That's what I've been told. Okay, and it seems to be. It makes sense. So I just want to let you know this is a piece of cake for anyone who wants to do this. I've never done this the first time. It's freaking delicious. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like, and I know and we appreciate you viewing. Thank you. Be safe. And don't forget, this is delicious. Don't forget to give us a thumb up, subscribe. We would appreciate it. See you soon.